In this video, we're going to demystify the insurance claim process for homeowners. The process can be complex. It involves understanding deductibles, depreciation, and the roles of insurance adjusters and trusted contractors, not to mention the entire payment process and invoicing for the claims. But don't worry, we'll break down these topics before you even think about filing a claim. The first step should be to contact a trusted roofing contractor. Ideally, this should be a contractor recommended by friends or families or neighbors or someone that has had a positive experience with them. Be cautious of the neighborhood. There's many canvassers or telephone solicitors offering to inspect your roof. Get second opinions. When you're ready to contact your insurance company, there are two key questions you should ask if you don't have your policy or can't understand the policy. First, ask about your deductible. It's crucial to know how much you'll be responsible for paying. Second, inquire whether your coverage includes recoverable or non-recoverable depreciation. Once you've confirmed the presence of damage with the roofer, it's time to file a claim. You can do this by calling your insurance company's claim department or your local insurance agent. You want to get the assistance there. The claims department will ask several questions, but two stand out. They will want to know the type of damage sustained and the date of loss. Be honest and be specific with your answers to avoid any complications. After providing all the necessary information, the claims representative will give you a claims number. Now, this number is important for future communications with the insurance company. Within 24 to 72 hours, an adjuster will contact you to schedule a property inspection. Before we wrap it up, we want to highlight two red flags to watch out for. First, be wary of roofers claiming to be insurance claim specialists. They are not legally allowed to interpret your insurance coverage or negotiate pricing with your insurance company. You'll need an attorney for that if you're going to be represented. Second, avoid letting the roofer call in the claim for you. Instead, do your research and initiate the claim and process it yourself. To get more information or answer any questions you have about the insurance claim process, stay tuned for our other videos. Thank you for listening. Get your roof replaced. We look forward to guiding you through this process and working with you in the future.